Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are an NRI or OCI and if you have tried to update your citizenship flag in your PAN database, this can be easily done using your income tax profile where you raise a case with your assessing officer. But what it has been observed that in some cases it's not working. While I will not go into the cases why it is not working in some cases, I'm going to tell you that in case you don't get it updated in this way, what can you do? So to someone I know, what they did, like they raised multiple cases, but still it was not done for them. I won't go into the other details. But what they did, like there are two email accounts. Okay. One is like additional commissioner of income tax from New Delhi, if I'm not wrong. And there's another similar high level email IDs. They sent an email, he sent an email to these two accounts and attached his OCI card, non-Indian passport and PAN card copy, and he described the issue that it's not like he wants to update the flag. And then what happened? One of those email IDs responded, and they sent an email copying him to the assessing officer and said, "This is a high priority. Do it within 3 days," and it was done. So in case it's not working out for you using the online method, this method you can try. I'm going to include the email IDs in the description. Okay, you can take a look and let me know if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.